Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Here we go. Come on in as we put together some peanut butter cookies. So, first up, butter into the milk, butter into the peanut butter. Mix all that together as best I can. Don't have to be too thorough at this stage though. Sugar. Hugh, could you go get the self-raising flour out the cupboard?
Sure, which kind?
Wrong way.
Okay. Oh,
The big one.
Big cupboard, okay.
Yeah. Second shelf up.
Oh, second shelf.
Should be in a plastic container.
A plastic container, okay.
Sorry, fourth shelf up, whatever.
Fourth shelf, okay.
So that's that mixed. Open my bin.
British self-raising flour, there
Chuck
you
in
go.
an egg. Thank you.
Anyone's wondering, that weird noise is a cat.
Yeah, very noisy cat because he's going deaf. He's a bit old. Belongs to the guy who lives in my basement. So we've got that. Quickly wash my hands because egg. Flour. Pinch of salt. And the final ingredient, our second box of death nuts. The ones that were supposed to be for my other friends before they decided not to show up. So,
They can have some of this instead.
the fairly mild number ones. Just crack them in there.
Make sure they get the most area of all the...
May have to use my spoon.
Do you want to get your knife or something to do that? Or...
No, it'll be fine. Mostly because that means extra time in this video. Just don't want any huge chunks, you know? Got to make a reasonably edible cookie. Yeah, tasty number 2. Stupidly hot number 3. Oh, probably shouldn't be doing that on the edge of the butter.
You've now poisoned the butter for life.
Yeah, somebody's going to get some spicy butter. That's going to be a shock. The surprisingly disappointing number 4. And actually, yeah, maybe a knife would have been a good idea for this.
Yeah, you're going to
Here we go. And use the back of this as a chopping board for...
You sure you want irritation under your fingernails on those?
Hmm?
You don't really want irritation under your fingernails. It hurts a lot.
Okay. I wouldn't know about that. I don't get a lot of the... I don't get a lot of those sort of side effects from chili.
Okay.
Most of my body is immune. Just not fully my mouth and not fully my stomach. May have to speed this up in editing, we'll see what happens. May even cut some bits. So I'm hesitant to do so because people won't believe that everything's gone in at that point. So to stir those in a little, and if you could hand me my baking tray from over there, thank you. So cookie 1. Cookie 2. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm just doing this by ear, really. I'm not following my recipe properly, so they might not turn out quite as pretty as the ones I did for my blog, but they should be tasty and stupid, stupid hot. And that's what really matters, isn't it? There. Not really enough for another one, but no sense wasting it. So, grab what we've got. You could open the oven for me, Hugh, of course. Pop those in, and then give them about 30 minutes. So, we'll catch you then. So, cookies are done. Time to put my goggles down to avoid whatever heat comes out of here. And grab an oven mitt. Yep, that freaking burns.
No, why did I do that? You're so evil. I need milk.
Not my favourite first, but there is spice in there. It's building up. I feel like I've had this flavour before, but I can't think of what like the chili.
So there's a mix of chilies in there.
Okay.
There is some ghost pepper, some Carolina Reaper, some scorpion, some chocolate butler, and some pepper X.
It's quite a lot then.
So it may remind you of any of a number of things, including the last dab sauce. Not sure exactly which one I got though, but which one of the later ones. That was a very dark nut, and you could taste how dark and earthy it was. I mean, probably number 4. Could be number 3. Heat feels kind of like number 3, to be honest. Quite sharp in the throat. Alright, let's go for another small one before I end this out. I would have hoped that Hugh could try some with me, but A, he wasn't going to after what he went through before, and B, he lost a contact lens and got chili in his eye, and it was all a bad time. So, you won't be seeing any more from him for tonight at the very least, and quite possibly a while. Ooh, there's a nice little fruitiness in that. So I think this is it for me for now. Like this video if you've enjoyed it, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll leave the link to the product down in the description below. This one was imported by Hotheads but made by Puckerbutt Pepper Co. in America. I'll leave links to both. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.